Hi guys, so today's Friday the 13th, and got off work early today, so we're going to a food truck, a Vietnamese food truck that he found on Yelp. This guy. Hi. Say hi.
Hello.
Okay, so we're going to a food truck at where? Downtown. So we're gonna go downtown for a little bit. Too bad I work tomorrow, huh? We could have continued. We could have started Valentine's Day today, but I work tomorrow. So
I told you to not work tomorrow.
You told me, but my manager wants me to work tomorrow. So okay, well, on my face today. Do you guys think that my eyebrows are not even? Because I feel like they're not. So, excuse my eyebrows. But I have on my lips the Stormy Pink by Revlon. It's a really nice pink, I think. So, that. And then I have my eyebrows. I used my e.l.f. brow kit, whatever. And then I used one of those e.l.f. color for my eyeshadow, and then just, you know, I'm wearing that lash sensation by Maybelline on my lashes, and it's just curled, and then I'm wearing Torrid by NARS on my cheeks, and then and do you guys feel, or does it seem like my face is oily at all? I used to Stay Matte by Rimmel. So this is Arizona or Tucson. We're exiting to go downtown. So dead, isn't it? We have like one freeway. Seriously, like the 10. Ooh, and the sun's setting.
To the left or right?
Downtown? I don't know. You exited 5th, so this is not down.
Farther than 6th.
This is not downtown yet. I would say, oh look, Veterans Medical Center is here. Ooh, so it's closer to our place. Okay. It's really nice. We get lost sometimes. Huh, babe? That's why we have Yelp to help us. Yeah. I don't know. We always have sushi. So here, we found our way. That's one of our clinic. Right there. South.
Okay, we're gonna turn right at 22nd and turn left at 4.
Okay. Oh. Alright, guys. We kind of got lost. And I think...
Oh, am I in the wrong way? Is this one way or what?
No, the one way is this way.
No, here, where I'm at.
I'm not sure.
Glock grip here, but I can customize this to be...
Oh, we suck at this.
As thin as the Glock grip. I'm not saying the Glock grip is thin.
Oh, it's a one way.
Look at it from the front here.
And this is one way. You can't make a left. So anyways, yeah, this is downtown, guys. Alright, we're in downtown.
We'll walk to the dessert place.
Oh, okay. What is it called? Rob Dog?
Yeah, they're a good-sized mile.
It's a food truck. We found a food truck. It's not really interesting. We are just like what? Like the inside of an alley? Yeah, we're inside of an alley. Yeah, we're waiting for our food.
You're so in love.
This is like a weird craving we have. I don't know why we did this. I really don't know. Do you know why we did this?
Food truck.
Why? I'm really hungry. Nothing. We're just waiting. We're just waiting. I got chili fries, carne asada fries. Where are we eating at? On a side street next to the parking lot. That's a car. And trash can. And this is our order. We got fries, carne asada fries. This is a Chicago What? Chicago hot dog with the tacos. Yum yum, guys. So we're just eating here. Look at our view. It's kind of crazy, but this is pretty. That's pepper. How do you like it? Is it good?
Yeah.
Is it spicy?
Should I eat that?
No, I'm not gonna eat that. No. This is so good too. So it has sour cream in it. So good. So good. So good. Yeah. I think the carne asada meat. It's so good.
Having fun?
Yeah, I'm having fun. How did I taste that? It's like hot dog. This is good. This is pretty cool. It's a white horse.
So unique.
Isn't it? That's a club right there, the lounge
Remember the horses in the
up there.
Philippines?
Yeah.
It's not that big, right?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
It's not. Pet her. Hi. Pet her.
I want to ride on top of the thing.
Always up in the front.
Oh.
Always up in the front.
No, just kidding.
She can't see you.
Oh,
That
she's
side.
gonna
So if
she's
you
gonna
walk up to her,
attack.
She's like, oh, what are you doing?
Okay, so the front.
She won't freak out if they see us, right?
No, go up to the front. They like it when they can see you.
Hello.
That's much better for them.
Hi.
Just like you wouldn't want anyone touching you if you didn't.
I want that. I'm just kidding.
Where can we touch her? Like
on
at
her
the
face.
just like right there next to the nose area?
Here,
Like that?
go ahead.
Oh,
Just give me your
okay.
hand. Horses like to be pet firmly. They're
Really?
very ticklish.
Perchin. You call them perchin, right?
Perch on.
Perch
on.
on.
Hey, how are you?
Alright guys, oh my gosh, we've totaled that in like 10 seconds or 10 minutes. But bye downtown. We're leaving now and going home, and I'm gonna go to bed and get ready for bed because I have work the next day. But this guy right here, props to this guy right here because he made me happy today. He treated me out and everything.
This is our Valentine's celebration.
Best day
You got the key?
ever.
Whose cars?
Yours?
What?
Yours. Give me a kiss. Parang hindi ka happy. Happy ka? Look. Okay, well, I really had fun. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Bye.
Bye.